Good morning, everyone. So this is the apartment in Tuscany. This is the entrance here. So let's see this flat. We are right on the first floor. Just this step. This is the main door. Here there's another apartment for sale next to this one. Only these two units have access from that door. So this is the entrance. As you can see, everything has been restored, and they have been renting the property on Airbnb and on Booking with very good feedbacks. So this is the first bedroom, which is on the first floor. This is the only room without heating. So they put an air conditioner there for warm and cold air. This is a sort of closet, exposed stones walls, and all roofs, all ceilings have been restored in a very Tuscan style. They're very well done. And this is the street where we came from. Every window is new with mosquito nets, and all windows are new in wood. And this is the access. And unfortunately today is a rainy day, so that's our car. The owner owns this land in front of the apartment too, so they are going to leave you one spot for the car with the apartment. So let's go on. This is our first bedroom. Cotto tiles in the floors. All doors are new. So on this floor we find the kitchen. You can see the glitter on the walls. This is a big kitchen with fireplace and washing machine and dryer, fridge. Everything is quite new. Wonderful stones here in the kitchen. Big radiator and a fireplace here. And that's the entrance door. So from this side of the kitchen there's the balcony. Again, it's a bad day, but this is a big balcony facing the wood behind the house. There's a small river down there. This is the rear side of the house, and this is the bathroom walls we will see now. So let's go back inside. Every window has double glass and new wood windows. So let's go on. Here is the laundry, the dryer, and some closet. And here the first bathroom with shower and heating. Okay, nice floor here too. Okay, now we can go upstairs where there are 2 more bedrooms with 2 more bathrooms. These are the original stairs, which have been restored and put here again. So, first bedroom, wood floor on the first floor here. So, first bedroom. Still very Tuscan style in all over the house. Here am I. Hi. Bathroom. Just for the bedroom. No shower or bath here. Just service. Still new ceilings all over the house with typical Tuscan beams and stone walls. Okay, let's go on to the other bedroom. This is the biggest one. Steel wood floor and 2 walk-in closet here. One here and one on the other side. Let's see it. Wonderful windows here too, very big. Wood and balcony. Another walk-in closet here. Okay. And the biggest bedroom with the biggest bathroom, with bath and shower. Okay, let's go on to the last part of the house, which is a small attic with access through this spiral staircase, which leads to the attic. Let's go there. Which is a big closet actually, or maybe a children bedrooms, because the height is not so high actually. It should be like 1 meter and 30, 1 meter and 40 maybe. But it is all restored as the other part of the house, with window and floors and ceilings, everything restored here too. And they use this as deposit, as you can see. Okay. Okay, so go back. I'll show you the exteriors. Again, it's very, very bad day, but well, it's January, so I'll show you the exteriors. I put my mask again. Show you how it is outside. So this is the access road, and the house is here. This is the door, and this window, this open windows, is the first bedrooms, and that's it.